Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Use 3 ripe plantains with black spots, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Ripe plantains should feel soft and have at least 50% black on the peel to ensure proper sweetness and caramelization. Peel plantains by cutting off both ends and slicing lengthwise or on a diagonal into 1/2-inch slices so each piece cooks evenly. If your plantains are only yellow, let them ripen 24 to 48 hours at room temperature until more black appears. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil until shimmering over medium-high heat for about 90 seconds. A shimmering surface indicates the pan is hot enough, but not smoking. Fry plantain slices in a single layer for 1 minute 30 seconds per side until golden brown and caramelized, flipping with a thin spatula to avoid breaking the pieces. Reduce heat slightly if they brown too fast and cook through. Drain on paper towels and immediately sprinkle with 1/8 teaspoon of salt to enhance the sweet flavor while the oil is warm. Serve sweet plantains hot with a squeeze of lime or a sprinkle of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar if desired to boost caramel notes and add brightness. To make maduros as a side, cook until deeply caramelized and serve alongside rice and beans or grilled meats for a traditional pairing that balances savory dishes. For a variation, add a pinch of cayenne for heat or top with crumbled queso fresco. Leftovers keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and reheat in a skillet for best texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.